Hello, my lovely friends. You won't believe I lost 1 kilogram a day, 5 days, 5 kilograms of drinking this. Like, it is so powerful. I'll share with you the recipe and how to go about it. Yeah. So, in order to come up with this, the first ingredient you need is a lemon. Lemons are very good, most especially when you are having that big chunky belly with a lot of gas in it, you're bloated, constipated, having that fake big belly. Lemons help you flush out those acids out of you, boost your metabolism, and help you burn that belly fat, flush out those gases for you, and facilitate the breakdown of hardened food stored up. This is so powerful, lemon. So you can use one lemon or one lime, everything with the fiber. Just you need to take out the seeds. You don't need the seeds out of these. This is so powerful, very cleansing, and will boost your immunity to a good state to be able to flush your system out. So this is it. One lemon sliced into some good little sizes, and voila, this is the first ingredient. You set that aside. The second ingredient is cumin powder. This is very powerful. If you don't have cumin powder, go get one for yourself. You can find it at Walmart, any food market, food store. Get cumin powder, and you don't need a lot, just 1 teaspoon of it. This is very powerful in this recipe. So measure 1 teaspoon of cumin. It helps to break down hardened food stored up, boost your metabolism, and help you lose your belly fat and weight so fast. The next thing I add is pineapple. So I divide my pineapple in 4 portions. You need 1 portion of it. So 1 portion is 1/4 of it. Yeah, that is it. I'm really bad with maths. So that is 1/4 of a pineapple. You peel, and pineapples contain large amounts of bromelain, an enzyme that helps to break down hardened food stored up, causing belly fat and weight gain, boost your metabolism. It contains good amounts of fiber you need for weight loss, will fill you up while you lose weight. Like, you eat this, fill your tummy up and lose weight, cleanse you out, and leave your body so healthy and good from the inside. So that is my quarter size of pineapple. The next thing I add is cinnamon powder. Very good to add, boosting your metabolism, cleansing your tummy, and having you lose that weight and belly fat so fast. So this is it. It helps you to visit your restroom and poo poo everything all out. So if you're facing indigestion, difficulties to poo poo and break down foods, go for this. So this is a teaspoon of cinnamon powder as well. Very, very powerful in this recipe. So you measure 1 teaspoon and you set that aside. Yeah. Now the next thing you want to add is either you add grapefruit or an orange. So depending on you, I love me some grapefruit in here because it contains those good acids as well to burn bad fats in the system. It has a very beautiful flavor, very good at boosting metabolism. Just like oranges as well, they help to soften your stool and promote fast weight loss. So it's either I use an orange or I go for grapefruit. And if you ask me, I'll tell you grapefruits are a little bit more stronger than oranges. They are all good, but grapefruits are more stronger. So I go for grapefruit here for this recipe. So this is one grapefruit. You squeeze out the juice out of it, and I always go ahead and add in the fiber as well, and voila, that is it. I go ahead and add in some ginger as well to make this also powerful, so fat burning, because ginger is thermic. It heats up your system to burn fats, like it provokes your system to break down and burn fats for you so fast. So that is it. I love me some ginger, and this is a thumb size of it. You peel, wash thoroughly, and slice up into some good little sizes, and you're good to go for these. So this is our ginger sliced nicely, and now this is what you want to do. You put these ingredients in your blender, add your ginger, so that is the thumb size of ginger, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You add in your 1 lemon or lime. You go ahead and add in the pineapple, the quarter size of pineapple, and you add in the juice from your one grapefruit or orange. Close that up. You don't need to add any water in here. No water needed. The water from the juice of the lemon blends everything. That is why it makes this so powerful. No dilution. Like, this is so rich. So you want to do it this way so you get the benefits out of it, like you get the real stuff. Now, once you blend to a smooth consistency, you get your cup and put everything all in there. This is for you. Most start you can have this in the morning on an empty tummy without eating anything. Just have this. Make sure as you have this to help you break down the fats, you make I'll tell you what to do. Make sure when you have this, no food or oil should obstruct the fat burning process. Drink everything and you're good. So I have pictures of me before I get into the next thing I want to tell you on Instagram with my tummy out. A lot of my recent pictures. If you're not following me, please follow me on Instagram so we can socialize and try this recipe, please, and come back and tell me how you feel about it. I promise you a kilogram a day off, and make sure you drink lots and lots of water during the day. For the days, if you're trying this for 5 days to get the 5 kilograms off, make sure you're drinking your water, enough water throughout to foil you up with energy, facilitates the cleansing process, and equally support with constant digestion, because water helps you with digestion. Without water, you face difficulties digesting food you eat. So when you drink water, it helps you to break down, most especially those hardened food stored up in your system, that you substitute water by drinking sugary pops and the rest. Those sugary drinks, they only help to prevent you from digesting your food. So don't substitute your water throughout your life. Like, once you eat, make sure you're drinking water to help you break down that food. There is no substitute for water. That is what I will tell you. The only substitute is maybe to squeeze in an orange or grapefruit, or those flavored water recipes I've shared with you. They help you to break down fat. That is the only way, not any juice or whatever. So that is how you get your food digested. That is how you cleanse your system, and you easily burn fats and get your body all nice back and in shape. Yeah. So tell your sister, tell your friends, your brothers, your family that Risa said, based on my experience from holistic health, water is everything. There are so many benefits, but I stick to this for weight loss. Drink your water and digest whatever you eat during the day. Yeah. So go ahead and try this recipe and come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.